Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to add your birthday on Telegram with the latest 2025 update. Whether you're setting it for the first time or updating an old one, I'll walk you through every step so you can get it done in just a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll start on your main chat screen, where all your conversations appear. Next, look toward the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all your account options and personal information controls. Once inside, tap on Privacy and Security. This section helps you manage exactly what others see about you. And now it includes your birthday settings too. After tapping Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find the option labeled Birthday. It should be listed among other privacy features, so keep scrolling until you spot it. Now, tap on Birthday. You'll see a button that says Add My Birthday. Tap that, and you'll be able to set your birth date using the calendar that appears on your screen. Choose the correct day, month, and year that match your actual birthday. Once you've set everything, double-check that the date is accurate. Then tap Save. Telegram will update your profile automatically, and you're done. It's that simple. From now on, your friends can see your birthday if you've chosen to make it public, or keep it private if you prefer. You can always come back to this same section in your settings to edit or remove your birthday at any time. And that's all it takes to add your birthday on Telegram. No complicated steps, no hidden menus, just a few quick taps. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who might need the same walkthrough, and keep exploring the newest Telegram features to make your profile even more personal. Thanks for watching.